Hello everyone, my name is Fabian Fernandez and I'm here to talk about my random questions. What is my dream job? This is a wonderful question. I have always considered that there should be a good balance between work and personal life. In my particular case, my parents always wanted me to be an engineer, and I was, but I dreamed of being an aircraft pilot, and thank God I also achieved it. The job or your dreams should not generate a lot of stress. It should allow you to share quality time with your family, and it should make you feel fulfilled as a professional person and also allow you to live off the income it generates. Thank you. Bye bye.